Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your Xbox One controller. First, make sure your controller has fresh batteries or is fully charged for an uninterrupted connection. Next, power on your Xbox One console and then turn on your controller. You'll then need to find the small sync button on both your console and your controller, which is crucial for establishing the initial connection. This process is straightforward and takes only a few moments to complete. To initiate the connection, first press and hold the small sync button located on your Xbox One console. You'll notice the console's power button will begin to flash for about 20 seconds, indicating it's ready to pair. While it's flashing, immediately press and hold the sync button on your controller. This button is usually found near the top, between the bumpers. Hold it until the Xbox button on your controller also starts flashing rapidly. Once you've pressed the sync button on your controller, the Xbox button on it will flash rapidly for several seconds. This rapid flashing signifies that it's actively searching for and attempting to connect with your console. After a short period, the Xbox button on your controller will become solid, confirming a successful and stable connection. Your controller is now fully paired with your Xbox One console and ready for you to dive into your favorite games. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your Xbox One console and the controller. Sometimes a simple power cycle can resolve minor glitches. Also, ensure there are no other wireless devices nearby that might be causing interference with the signal. For optimal performance and stability, always make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. You can usually check for updates through your console's settings menu, ensuring a smooth gaming experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.